Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baiklah, kami akan membacakan hasil review artikel dari kelompok kami. English for Mathematics. Title. The effective being of multilingual children's language used for mathematics learning. Wujud efektif penggunaan bahasa anak multilingual untuk pembelajaran matematika. 1. How to cite. Mazzanti, C.V. and Gaibiso, L.C. 2021. The effective being of multilingual children's language used for mathematics learning, educational studies, and disease link.
B. Introduction. 1. Problems. This article investigates how young multilingual children's mathematics learning is connected to their language use, lived experience, context, and emotion. 2. Gap. We consider how the understanding of multilayer meaning uncovered using an SVL lens afford a substantial path to interpret and think about the language use of multilingual children during mathematics learning. 3. Purpose. Investigates how young multilingual children's mathematics learning is connected to their language use, lived experience, context, and emotion. To this end, we consider the experience of children who use both Spanish and English to learn mathematics.
C. Methods. 1. Context or design. The research method used is SVL. SVL follows that context can manifest and at interrelate levels and are not unique. Children experience multiple contexts in their language interaction and are required to use their linguistic and multimodal repertoires differently in those contexts. 2. Participants or sampling. Multilingual immigrants and Latino students in the United States. 3. Data collection or instrument. Instrument that used on this learning is collected data through the role of a participant, observer, and volunteer teacher using journal entries to record events of bilingual children's mathematics learning. 4. Variables. Systemic Functional Linguistic or SVL on mathematics learning. 5. Data analysis or statistics. The understanding of language use as effective first developed for Christina in the field through the careful and intentional observation of children, their mathematical learning, and their language use. This situated understanding of language as effective drove the research to broad exchange of ideas that it lures the second author to suggest SVL as a possible theory to think about the effective being of language.
The result. In our analytical process, we looked at how the SVL provides a useful lens for exploring the experience of vernacular with multilingual counting. This provides a way to understand why providing access to the opportunity to use multiple languages can catalyze many opportunities for learning mathematics. Through our analysis, we also identify the need for broader and more complex frameworks and practice that support our ability to pay attention to children's learning while encouraging plenary skip linear research and education practice. E. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. Based on the research, the existence of effective use of language that shapes children's mathematics learning requires a diverse and critical framework in order to be able to analyze complex and multilingual experience. We use SVL as language theory to support our critical perspective. Suggestion. Need to know for multilingual children requires the use of affective language which requires attention to context, relationship, emotion, and experience.
Catatan: the example of student worksheet are based on articles in Journal Educational Studies, and this is link. Demikianlah hasil review artikel dari kelompok kami. Saya Mutiara Amalia dan rekan saya
Kurati Aini.
Lebih dan kurangnya kami mohon maaf. Kami ucapkan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.